So this blue beauty is Hyssop, Hyssopus officinalis. Really, it's the most striking colour, and the bees obviously love it. It's native to Central and Southern Europe. It does grow across West Asia a bit, but anyway, it's specific for coughs and bronchitis. Really good for relieving stuck mucus in the upper respiratory tract, and it's good for fevers. Helps induce the sweat where the exterior of the body can be expanded, if you like, and it's a vasodilator, helping to promote sweating, and that helps to cool down any excessive heat in the fever. So it's mild digestive remedy as well, because it's got sort of bitter, aromatic, warming properties, and sort of tastes like a combination of sage and mint, really. Use it 2 to 4 grams a few times a day. Probably should avoid it in pregnancy. But anyway, it's all-round tonic for the upper respiratory tract and the digestive system.